Roborock Q5. This all-rounder is both affordable and smart, making it a standout choice. The Q5 impresses with its polished performance and precise home layout mapping, smoothly navigating around furniture and respecting virtual barriers. Handling everyday messes efficiently, the Q5 uses LiDAR detection instead of mobile cameras, ensuring privacy while cleaning about 890 square feet in just 90 minutes, mostly unattended. The companion app receives regular updates and offers intuitive features. It begins by cleaning the perimeter of each room before sweeping the interior in parallel lines. The Q5's mapping accuracy ensures thorough coverage, adapting speed in open spaces and saving multi-level maps reliably. Users find the virtual barriers and restricted zones easy to set up and effective. Single room and spot cleaning modes also perform well. At the core of the Q5's capabilities is the PreziSense LiDAR navigation, which allows for fast, accurate mapping and creates detailed 3D maps of your home. This advanced system plans and executes cleaning meticulously, ensuring no spot is missed. The Q5's design includes flexible water flow settings and a detachable cleaning cloth, enhancing its versatility for various cleaning tasks. Pet owners will appreciate its efficiency in managing pet hair, making home maintenance less burdensome. In essence, the Roborock Q5 combines affordability, advanced technology, and user-friendly features, earning it the gold medal as the best overall budget room vacuum of 2024. Whether dealing with daily dirt or tackling pet hair, the Q5 delivers impressive results, ensuring your home remains spotless with minimal effort. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, and you got it.